brand new revolutionary AI Traffic App Plus system for 2021. In just a few minutes each day. 100% done for you instant affiliate system. With free buyer traffic from 1 billion visitors. We use this to make thousands in daily commissions. No experience required. Click the link in the description to get a massive discount plus $3,988 value bonus today. 1. Free buyer traffic in less than 60 seconds. 2. Revolutionary new built-in artificial intelligence. 3. Tap into secret top 1 billion targeted visitors. 4. 100% done for you commission system. 5. Designed and made for beginners. 6. No experience required. 7. No tech skills needed. 8. No monthly fees. 9. Achieve financial freedom. 10. Quit your job, travel and enjoy life. 11. 60-day money-back guarantee. A revolutionary instant free buyer traffic app. This new app identifies the most targeted traffic sources out there and pulls the trigger. Because it uses revolutionary new artificial intelligence to tap into the mindset of the very hungriest of buyers. 1. This brings you only the very best prospective customers. 2. It means you never need paid ads. 3. And conversions are proven to come 100 times faster. In fact, this system is so powerful that even experienced marketers are seeing results that they have never seen before, with viral sales each and every day. And the best thing is that it's 100% legitimate, which means the commissions can keep on rolling in forever. Because it uses a complex AI algorithm to target only those who are ready to buy, with multiple instant traffic sources integrated to the app. 1. You can tap into the freshest 1 billion buyers on the web. 2. You can dominate new niches using this incredible AI technology. 3. You'll never have to search desperately for traffic again. Now, as amazing as this sounds, we also want to make sure that this hot traffic is sent to the right places to ensure that it is converted to red-hot sales. So we've automated that process too. Click the link in the description to get a massive discount plus $3,988 value bonus today.